answer on your own, and I hope so you have done that, right? Stop sending me these type of screenshot. I am not interested in that. Yuvraj, behave yourself, all of you. Just pay attention what I am doing, what I am teaching. That's it. Don't send me this type of things. I'm telling you, really. I will send you out of my class. Behave yourself, all of you. I have already told you it hardly matters the screen is small or big. Important is that you can see me, you can hear me, that's it. Right? Okay. So we have complete with the question answer, and I hope you all have done the question number 4, which you have to do it on your own. Right? So now with you have given with some word corner, we'll discuss that. And after that, one exercise is given at the back, that is B1. You will do it on your own. It is very simple. And in next class, we will discuss it. Okay. So you can match it. Whatever you have done is correct or not. Right? Clear? Okay. So read these words and taken from your stories. That is assortment, forgiveness, imagination, consideration, right? Then interruption, description, contractor, and endless, right? So the each word which contains the suffix in it, a suffix is a letter, or you can say a group of letters that add at the end of the root of the word to make a new word, right? So what is suffix? Suffix is, you can say it is a letter, or you can say a group of words which is being added at the end of the root of the word to make it a new word. Okay, if we split the examples above in the root word and suffix, we will be have some of the examples which are given you in your books. With that you can understand what exactly suffix means to you, right? See, I will show you on the board, all of you, right? The example is given to you, that is right, that is your assort, right? It has been given. Now what they have done, after assort they have plus it and write it, right? If you are not able to see the board, you can see in your books also, right? Okay. Right, visible to you all, visible to you all. Okay, the first example which is given over here is your assort plus meant, right? This is assort, this is meant, right? It is given. So what it is done, what they have done, they have, if it is not visible to you, look in your books, page number 135. Please look to page number 135 in your books. Okay, it is very clearly given over there, right? Page number 135. The first example which is given is assortment, right? So the assort and meant both are written, right? And plus sign is given in the between. So what they are used, they want to tell about this meant is clearly is that this is the suffix being used in with the word assort, right? The same way the next word is given, imagine, right? plus Asian, right? So what they are adding over here, okay, this word. This will be your suffix part, which is they are telling you, right? So the both the things which is being explained over here is your suffixes, right? How they are being used, right? So what they have done, imagination, right? So now when you read this word a full, when you when you remove plus from here and you will read it, it will be imagination, right? But imagine also is a word, right? And we'll add nation to it, nation to it, it becomes imagination, right? So what we are doing, we are adding suffix to it. Adding suffix to a word, a letter, a group of words. That means we are we that will be always be added after the word or after the, you can say, a group of words, okay, at the end of the root of the words also, you can say like that, and it make a new word to you, right? Like you can say forgive, and will forgive, this is one word. You will add ness, राइट? तो फॉरगिव और नेक्स्ट, ये क्या हुआ, आपके रूट, आपके वर्ड के एंड में इसको हमने ऐड कर दिया, इसको हमने ऐड करा और हमें क्या मिल गया, एक और वर्ड, दैट इज फॉरगिवनेस, राइट? So suffixes usually indicate what the grammatical class a word belongs to, right? It is basically, surfaces are added only when you want to define, you want to indicate that what grammatical classes a word can belong, okay? वो किस क्लास से बिलोंग कर रहा है, what grammatical used word is there when we talk about English, okay, when we talk about grammar part, right? And to noun, to verb, or to adverbs, it belongs to all that, right? A word with a suffix can be function as a noun, as an adjective, as a verb, or as a adverb, right? जब भी whenever the word, जो भी word है जो suffix के साथ use हो रहा है, being used with that, okay, it can function as, उसको हम क्या बना सकते हैं, वो एक noun भी हो सकता है, adjective भी हो सकता है, verb भी हो सकता है, adverb भी हो सकता है। जब हम बात करते हैं किसी भी वर्ड में, जब हम सफिक्स ऐड करते हैं तो वो जो न्यू वर्ड क्रिएट होता है, दैट न्यू वर्ड कैन बी योर नाउन, एडजेक्टिव्स, वर्ब्स और एडवर्ब्स, राइट? सो वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, वो आपके ग्रामेटिकल क्लास में कन्वर्ट। क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? ओके, क्लियर? एवरीवन? ओके, तो बेसिकली अभी हमने बात करी सफिक्सेस की, और उसमें हमने जो मेन, जो हमारा पॉइंट है, the thing to need to be understand is that whenever we talk about a suffix, so a suffix is can be a letter or a group of letters that is added at the end of the word, okay, end of the root word, okay, and it makes a new word, okay. And when we talk about the suffixes, it can be your noun, adjectives, verb, or adverb. And how it can be possible? It can be possible only when the word with the suffix can, when added, okay, whenever a word with the suffix is added, if suffix is added to any of the word, it change the grammatical way. It is changed in the grammatical way and it's give a new word to you, and that new grammatical word can be a noun, adjective, verb or adverbs. Okay, clear, simple, very easy. Okay. Now there are some common suffix that makes your noun are your er, str, ian, ness, ion, dance and shi, right? तो ये बेसिकली वो वर्ड्स हैं, कॉमन सफिक्सेस हैं दैट मेक्स द नाउन. ओके, जिन सफिक्स ये वो सफिक्सेस हैं जिनको जब हम ऐड करेंगे किसी वर्ड में तो वो नाउन में कन्वर्ट हो सकते हैं, राइट? Okay, now what is the concept, what is the rule they have given to you? It is very simple, please clearly इसको समझ लो आप कि whenever a common surfaces that makes a noun, okay, a common suffix, okay, when a word is being added with the suffix, it will make a new word, right? And it will make that new word can be your noun. But what all the suffixes are there, what are the common suffixes that are added to a word to make a noun? Okay, that is your er, right? That is your nss, right? Then ion, right? Then ance, ster, right? So by these all the words you can make your common with this adding these new words to a word at the end of the root, you can make them as a noun. Okay, example में आपके दिया हुआ है same, right? What they have done, add er to it, what you will get the result, singer, that will be a noun, right? Okay, simple. Now we'll take a simple example, paint plus what we will add to this, er, and it will give you painter, so that will be your noun. Okay, right? Now we will take the example of another one. ये मैंने कर लिया आपका ईआर वाला पार्ट, ठीक है? अब हम एक ले लेते हैं एनएसएस वाला पार्ट, फॉर गिव, राइट? व्हाट आई हैव एड एनएसएस, व्हाट आई विल गेट forgiveness. Okay, right? So this is also done, right? Clear? Right? Now I will take interruption, that is interrupt plus ion, what I will get the word interruption. Clear? So now what is happening actually? We are adding surfaces to the letters, to the words at the end. We are adding surface, and what we are making them? We are making them noun. right? Clear to everybody? Okay, right? Now we'll take IUN, right? IUN also I have told you. Now we will take ANCE, right? There's this, right? ANCE. Give you the answer, resistance. Okay. Now what is done? One more surface is added to the letter, to the word, right? Completed? Yes. Okay. Okay. Right. Now we are left with STER. We talk about gang. We'll add it. STR. What it will give you? Gangster. Surface completed. Okay. Clear to everyone? So what we have understood by this, that when we talk about surface, it is always been, you can say, it can be your letter also, it can be group of letters also, and it is always added at the end of the root word, right? That can make a new. सबसे पहली बात हमने ये समझी, उसके बाद हमने कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखे, जैसे सॉर्टमेंट, फॉरगिवनेस, कंसिडरेशन, interruption, contactor, etc. Okay, and the second rule or second tips we have gone through it was that it always give an grammatical class to a word. Okay, that is noun, adjectives, words, or the adverbs by adding the suffix to the root word. Okay, and then it will change to your grammatical class, right? और वो कौन कौन से रूट वर्ड्स हैं जो बेसिकली सफिक्स, कौन कौन से वो सफिक्सेस हैं जो हम अपने किसी भी वर्ड पे ऐड करके उसका हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. वी कैन चेंज दैट वर्ड इज योर ER, STR, NESS, IUN, ANCE, and SHIP, right? So these are the words which are being given. SHIP we have not done, that also I will tell you. Friend plus ship, that will make you friendship, right? सो इन सबसे एग्जाम्पल से आपको एकदम क्लियर हो गया कि बेसिकली आप सर्फेसेस को कहाँ यूज करेंगे, कब वो यूज हो रहे हैं, और बेसिकली जब हम उन्हें यूज कर रहे हैं तो वो किसमें चेंज होते हैं. दे कैन चेंज इन द नाउन, एंड व्हाट ऑल आर द सर्फेसेस दैट आर बीइंग यूज्ड टू चेंज द वर्ड इन द नाउन. दैट इज योर ER, STER, then your IN, NESS, ION, ANCE, and the last is SHIP, right? Clear to everybody? Any issue? Okay, now there are some suffix that makes adjective. अब हमने बात करी थी, हमने जो सबसे पहला रूल पढ़ा था उसमें हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि आपके साथ नाउन भी उसमें चेंज हो जाता है, वो एडवर्ब में भी चेंज हो जाएगा, वर्ब में भी चेंज हो जाएगा। तो ये जो चार चीजें हैं, नाउन, एडजेक्टिव, वर्ब एंड एडवर्ब, जो इनमें ये चेंज होगा, तो हम क्या क्या उनमें हम सफिक्सेस ऐड करेंगे at the end of the word root word, so that it will change into noun, into verb, into adverb. So क्या हम करेंगे? सबसे पहले हमने जो अभी ये सारे एग्जांपल्स पढ़े, so these all examples were about the your noun. ठीक है, ये जितने भी अभी हमने पढ़े ये तो सारे हमारे नाउन के थे। ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट हम जो पढ़ रहे हैं, दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एडजेक्टिव्स, यानी कि अब हम कौन कौन से ऑल व्हाट ऑल आर द सफिक्सेस दैट विल बी एडेड, वो ऐड होंगे जिससे हमारा जो ये वर्ड है ये एडवर्ब में चेंज, एडजेक्टिव्स में चेंज हो जाएगा। इट विल चेंज टू द एडजेक्टिव, इट विल चेंज टू द ग्रामर। ओके, राइट? Right, so they are given with U, En, Ish, Som and Y, right? E, Ish, Some and Y. Okay, these are given, right? So सबसे पहले इसमें दिया हुआ है En, तो En में would, ठीक है। अब क्या ऐड करा है, सॉरी, ऐड किया प्लस व्हाट वी हैव ऐड, En, हमारा फर्स्ट वाला En हमने ऐड किया, तो हमें क्या मिला, वुडन, सिंपल। ठीक है, एकदम सिंपल है ये, तो हमने En ऐड करा और हमें वुडन मिल गया। एंड व्हाट दैट En refers to here is your, the word suffix is the En which is added over here and it is changed to a new word, that is your the adjective part. Okay, now this is wooden is being given to you as your adjective, right? Next it is given you ish, child, plus that is ish will give you ldish, childish. ये यहाँ ऐड हो गया, ये वाला पार्ट कंप्लीट हो गया। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट व्हाट दे हैव गिवन यू, they have given you SOME, right? That is wholesome, ले लेते हैं हम लोग, सिंपल है एकदम। ठीक है, SOM, that will give you HOLESOME. This sum is added over here and is the example which is completed. Now they are talking about why. ठीक है, तो हम इसको कर सकते हैं greedy, greed plus y will give you greedy, for health, ठीक है, plus y will become healthy. Okay, so this much is, I hope you all have been cleared with this part. Okay, कि हमने कैसे उसको कन्वर्ट करा है और कन्वर्ट करने के बाद हमें उसका क्या आंसर मिला है, कैसे वो ग्रामेटिकल मीनिंग में चेंज हो गया है. दैट इज वेरी important. Okay, right? Clear to everyone? Wholesome here means you can say subjective, or you can say a good health or a physical well-being can be said to be in a wholesome, right? Clear to everyone? So basically हमने क्या समझे है, जो बातें वो आपको समझ आनी चाहिए कि सफिक्सेस यूज कर रहे हैं तो कौन कौन से सफिक्सेस हैं जिनको हम यूज करके हम उसको नाउन, एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब्स में चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो ये तो एडजेक्टिव वाला पार्ट. ठीक है, अब हम बात करेंगे आपके सफिक्सेस लाइक ई एन, ए टी एंड एन आई मार्क्स द वर्ब. अब हम बात कर रहे हैं वर्ब. Now we are talking about the verb. So verb में they are using en, right? A T E and I Z E. Okay. So when these are added, they are changing them into as a verb, right? Okay. Like, sorry. Excuse me. Okay. Like first they have given week. Okay. Plus they have added n to it, and it has become weekend. Okay. So this is changing it into verb, right? Okay. Now they are talking about ATE, that is captive, and then you have motive, to motivate. Simple one. ATE, and it will give you motivate, right? Completed, right? Then you have given with the IZE, that is real and realize. Real plus ZE will give you realize. Clear? Okay. And the last, the most common suffix that makes an adverb is ly. सिर्फ ly से जो होगा possible adverb वो उन्होंने बताया है. That is using ly की अगर हम बात करें तो wise, right? They are using wise and adding ly and giving you wisely, wisely. That is, it is being used as adverb. Okay, clear everyone? सबको समझ में आया? अगर समझ में आया तो एकदम क्लियर है. ये आपके सफिक्सेस का पार्ट था जो कि आपके वर्ड कॉर्नर में आपको एक्सप्लेन करा गया है. इसमें एकदम सिंपल सा बताया है, कोई भी इतना वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीज नहीं है. and I hope everybody is clear with this. Any problem? Yes, ask whatever. Have you cleared everyone? Okay. So here we will complete it with the suffix part, and now they are given with the fill in the blanks that you have to add a suffix to the root word and give in the bracket. राइट आपके ब्रैकेट में आपको एक वर्ड दिया हुआ है यू हैव टू ऐड अ सफिक्स टू इट एंड you have to create a word footer. I hope you can do this very easily. If not, then we'll discuss in our next class definitely. Okay, so don't forget what I have explained you. A month has been gone. I'm teaching you all. Everything is getting in your head or is just going from here? It is going inside or it's just going from upside? Yes, what I'm asking, reply. Everybody is typing, busy typing. Bye, 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 bye. That's विष्णु समझ आ रहा है या सब ऊपर से ही जा रहा है? 1 महीना हो जाएगा. हम्म. अर्पित को तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा बाय के अलावा. Okay. Okay, so here we will end our class and I hope whatever work I have given you today, you will do it sincerely, nicely. Try to solve. Okay. Okay, bye, and I am ending your class. Bye bye, all of you.